Hey Neta,
How are you?
good, and you?
I'm fine, it's a new week and I'm very excited for the new tip of the week.
Exactly, it's a new week, almost a new year,
Correct. Next week.
and we have some cool things to show and some kind of like updates on some features. So, shall we start?
Yes, we're going to talk about two things today.
Yep,
And let's start with the first one.
I'll share my screen. Okay. So the first thing is actually not a new feature, but it's an update on a feature that we already showed it once here on the tip of the week, I think
Hmm.
ago. This is we're talking about the translation. So
Okay.
the if I click here on the workspace on the three dots, I have the translate item here. So before we had 9 languages or 10 languages that we supported. Now we have 32 languages, and this is
Wow.
also a request that came from a few clients. So we enlarge the languages option, and it's
Hmm.
important to understand that we, in one time, you can actually choose up to 10 languages, and we support it in one click. So let's say I create, let's say 5 out of 10, and if I click on translation, translate here, it will take for a few seconds and all the videos will be ready. You can see here that they are now grayed out, still in disable mode, and in a few seconds they will be enabled.
Amazing.
All right.
So now it's 32 languages versus, I think, 9 or 10 before
Yeah.
that we had, and we can create a 10 up to
Mm-hmm.
10 languages in one click.
Yeah. And of course, if I
Amazing.
need more, I can just go again, click translate, and add new languages, etc.
And Yossi, I think that it really connects me, or it's a great segue to the next tip,
Yeah.
because now, 10 different videos, it's like start to be,
Messy.
we need to organize them somehow.
Exactly. So let's talk about like the new, or it's not a new feature, but I'm not sure if a lot of people are familiar with it.
Okay.
So it helps us to organize better and to help us like find things. If you're a very organized person, then I think you would like it. So first of all, under the three dot menu, we have the move
Hmm.
item. And I can choose to move one item, or I can actually choose the all item, like as many as I want, and then click on move. Now it's important to know that we currently support the move files only on iDemove's items, which means only on things
Okay.
that we are creating, meaning the AI video, which are like the AI ads and the files that are produced from enterprise video, and we are supporting the move to from on the new video page creator and on the storyboards. Okay,
Okay.
so any item that we are producing, it can be moved. Things that we can still not supporting, and hopefully maybe in the future, are images like PNGs or JPEGs and MP4 like videos, etc. So I chose these 5, okay, and I click on the move. Okay, we'll have first thing, if it's like the first time that you're doing it, you'll get a pop-up saying navigate to workspace or folder you want, then click move here to complete the move. Okay,
Okay.
so meaning I can now create a new folder. Let's call
Oh,
it languages 2025. Okay,
okay.
it okay. Oh, I got an error. Why? Hmm. Okay, let's say I called it language for a second, and then if I navigate into that folder,
Now you can move.
Here will show the move here in an active mode. So it means that if I click here, all the items will move to the language folder.
Mhm.
Okay?
So you need to actually get in or create the folder in which you want to move the items to it.
Mhm.
And then it's enabling the line move, and then you click and
Yeah.
it. Okay,
Also,
I understand.
if I go back for a second and let's say I want to include that video into that already created folder, I can still do that. I don't have to create a new folder for that specific purpose, but it can be on any folder that already exists in my
Yes.
workspace. Okay, so let's show it here again. I can move it here. And another thing that we support is just moving the items between workspaces. Currently, we showed only in a separate workspace how it can be done and how we can actually create subfolders and drill down. Now, if I want, for example, just to take this video,
Okay.
I'll click again on Move To, okay? And I'll go outside to all of my workspaces, and let's say I want to search for another Duolingo folder, which is here, and I'll double click on that.
Okay.
I'll enter the older Duolingo workspace, and I can move here the item.
Amazing.
So
Great. So I think yes, it really helps us. As you said, I think organizational skills are very important. It's free. We don't need to remember, and it really makes more space in our head. And I think it's amazing. So I will summarize that. First of all, you said that now, let's talk about going back to the translation. What we talked about, we now have 32 languages, and we can, on the spot, in one time, produce up to 10 movies in different languages, which is amazing. This is the first update that we talked about. And the second one is the move capability that we click on the three dots of I do move item. It's important to remember that we can move I do move items only. So we click on the three dots, and then we'll see the move. Yossi, can you go to the three dots?
I
Now,
already showed it.
you did it already. Okay. So you go to the move, then you look for the right folder to put. Now you can put it in the specific or any folder within the workspace or outside of the specific workspace, wherever you want. So now you will get into the place that you actually want the movie to move to. And at the left side of the bottom, you will see that the move is enabled. You click there, boom, you have it in the right place, right?
Exactly. And it's important to remember only on items that produced from IDOMU, meaning AI video, AI ads, storyboards, and page creator.
And with that, Yossi, I wish us all organized year.
Exactly.
To speak all the languages. But now, if I'm being more serious, really, I hope, I want to wish everyone a Happy New Year. I think that maybe the first wish will be health, right? And all the rest will follow.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you very much, Yossi. See you
Nina.
next week in the
Bye-bye.
new 2026.
Exactly. Ciao.
Bye.
Arrivederci.